Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in West Jordan today, and I'm going to give you a guided tour through this home, starting with the outside. This home has a 2-car garage, side load, and then they added a covered carport for a 3rd bay that can cover another car or a RZR or a boat or whatever. And then next to that, they poured concrete for a large RV pad as well. So lots of storage and parking and a long driveway for more parking. There's a storage shed over there that's included as well, and you can see that they have an additional trailering spot to the side of even the RV pad. So anyway, lots of storage space. So I'll take you on a tour. The roof is redone in the last couple of years. It might even be only 1 year old if I remember right. So it's a brand new 30-year roof. It's got a nice brick exterior all around and then aluminum siding accents. All right, so here in the home, it does have a front formal living area here. So this would be your front formal room, and it has a formal dining area as well, which is hard to find these days. So a nice sized dining table would fit in here, and then we can pass through into the kitchen. This kitchen has had some upgrades done recently. They've installed new granite countertops, stainless appliances. It's got Samsung stove that's pretty new, and then this dishwasher as well. So anyway, it's had a refresh on the kitchen and it looks nice. Here's your dining nook, and then it does open up into a living room. So we have a pretty nice great room area here. This will go to the backyard, which we'll end on. So I'll take you through. It does kind of loop around back to the entryway. And this is the door to the basement. So that's kind of the flow of the main level. And from here in the entryway, there is a direct access to the kitchen just going straight as well. So I'll take you upstairs to where the bedrooms are. So starting over here with the master, it's a really good size master bedroom. You can see that this bed is a true king size bed. There's vaulted ceilings and just a lot of space. So the master bathroom is also very large and open. In here, they've got the double sinks. There's a separate tub, and then there's a stand-up walk-in shower over here. And then there's the closed room for the toilet, so you can actually close the door. And then this is the walk-in closet, very spacious as well in here. And so that's the master suite. The house does have its own AC system, but they added just a window unit in here to be able to control it separately in addition to the regular house AC. So that's bedroom number 1. We've got bedroom number 2 right here. This one's a pretty spacious room as well. It's got the double wide closet, a 6-foot opening. And then we've got the full bathroom here with the double sinks. And then bedroom 3. They did replace this room with a laminate wood flooring. So this room has some new flooring in it. And then bedroom 4, they use as an office. But yeah, so these are not built-in cabinets. They're up for discussion if anybody would want to keep them, but they're willing to remove it all and turn this back into a normal bedroom. And there's the 6-foot wide opening here for a closet. So it does have a double wide closet. So yeah, there's 4 bedrooms up here, linen closet, we've got the laundry, and then I'll take you downstairs. This wood floor that's on the whole main floor except for this front room, this is also only about 2 years old, so a laminate wood floor has been laid down on the main floor. The basement was finished into a living room slash movie room. They purposely have it so that there's no windows in here, so it could be a really nice movie theater room. Now, you can come this way into a bedroom. So this would be bedroom 5. So there is a bedroom here with a closet. And then they left this optional. You could put up a door or frame it in, and you could have its own bedroom here and then a 6th bedroom here, but the way they've used it is more of a sitting room over here because they didn't quite need 6 bedrooms. So this is a little lounge off of that bedroom and also has access to this living room. So I'll take you down the hall, and this hallway has the full bathroom serving the basement, a nice walk-in shower, and then vanity, and anyway, nicely remodeled. And then this is the unfinished portion of the basement. So there could be another bedroom here. There's 2 windows, so you can do what you want, but they use it as storage. And I'll talk about the expensive upgrades that they've done. This is a 50-gallon water heater that they've upgraded to. And then this is a new high-efficient furnace, a newer high-efficient furnace. And they have a brand new AC unit out there as well. That's a nice quality AC unit. So there's also a water softener that will be included as well. So I'll take you out to the backyard. And right here is the half bath for the main floor as well, so people don't have to go up or down to use a bathroom. All right, so back here we've got a nice deck here, and then this covered patio area. We've got a nice pergola here with a fan on it, neat rope lighting, and we're coming out of the winter time, so they had their furniture all covered up. This is the barbecue patio covered, and they're willing to leave the barbecue if people would like. So yeah, really nice covered patio area. And then over here, we've got a fenced off gardening area. So it's currently used to just produce flowers. So most of this will be flowers, and you can see in the photo reel on the websites what it looks like in the spring. Right now it's March and just kind of coming out of the dormant season. But yes, very pretty yard, and it's pretty spacious. I'll take you over on this side. You've got the grassy area here, fully fenced. And then you've got the RV pad and extra parking spots there. So that concludes this video tour outside. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of the home as well as some of the features. If you'd like to come and see this home in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.